Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 isn't updating events correctly or changes from your phone aren't appearing on the display, you're probably dealing with a synchronization issue. Sync problems on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 can happen because of internet interruptions, account connection issues, outdated software, or temporary glitches affecting the device. Fortunately, most synchronization problems can be resolved with a few simple checks without needing to reset everything from scratch. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that may help restore proper syncing on your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Refresh the calendar accounts linked to the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Step 3. Confirm that the account connected to the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is still signed in properly. Step 4. Check for software updates available for the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Step 5. Restart the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 to clear temporary synchronization issues. Step 6. Verify that new events appear correctly on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 after the sync process completes.